Alright, what's up, guys? As you can see, today we have a grade A mess. We're in the middle of reshuffling, reorganizing, and cleaning things up and getting things moved around. So, once we get all of that taken care of, we can get into exactly what we're going to do today, which is the big old restocking. Okay, so in this bag, our mystery bag, we have two things. We've got, bang, a little bit of potting soil, and bang, we got gravel. So I'm going to show you how I like to restock these, and then we'll get right on into it. Okay, so we're going to do these one at a time. The gravel we're going to have to do a little bit differently, but I think I've shown y'all before how I like to restock my soil. First, I just empty out my container, make sure it's all nice and clean. Clean enough. That's just dust. We're just going to take this guy, we're just going to dump it right on. And this was sitting in a garage for a little bit, so it is a little bit dry. All these good little crumbs in there. Give it a nice good shake. Oh yeah? You like that? Alright, let me try. And then we're just gonna level it. And then what I like to do, I'm gonna grab my spray bottle. You can use any kind of spray bottle, it won't really matter. I have this guy. It's the 360 spray bottle. And I'm just gonna give it a little misty. You don't need it to be like wet. You just want to rehydro it just a little bit. Cool. So let that stop. Alright. Okay. And then now all we need to do is just replace that lid. And then we're going to give her a good old shake. The reason we're shaking it is to mix in some of that moisture content and to help break up some of the clumps in there. Since this has been sitting for so long, I'm just going to give it a flip. And then it gets nice and tossed. And then as you can see, still a little clumpy, but most of it's broken down. And that's exactly what we're looking for. Alright, so now we're outside and I've spread this gravel out so we can get a good look at it before we give it a good old wash. But first, we gotta go over to our hose. We're gonna turn that water on, let the jets open up. We're just gonna hose this baby down. Alright, now that we have everything all dried up, all we're going to do is, oh my goodness, just get this tucked all the way in there. And just like that, our restocking is done.